Welcome back everyone, Magic Mac 80. It is still 12/21, 25, and I had these 3 packs I've been saving. I paid under 20 for them. I had them since the summer. But yeah, without further ado, we'll get into it. And the previous cards I just showed in my other video, in the card store, it was just about average, like $35, so nothing special. But I thought they were cool, so I picked them up. Oh my, I just spoiled the best card for staying. Oh well. Okay. Cloister. Farfetch'd, Pikachu, Ponetta, Weevil, Glilscore, Camerupt, Donphan, Kilowattrel, Amoonguss, Electabuzz, Voltrobe, Blizzle, Energy Junk. Oh my goodness, Junk. Gloria, Ultra Ball, Gusty Pickaxe, and we showed this first hinted Pomo. Pretty cool. Put him in my rare pile. Stop doing that. Grimer, Dusclops, Morgrim, Execute, Starly, Shroomish, Piplup, Turtwig, Gibble, Grotle, Claydol, Luxio, Buzel, Ball Guy, Rusted Sword, Camping Gear, and Holographic, Ace Rola's Premonition. Cool. Fido, Torres, Finneon, Hangoro, Frogator, Tornadoes, Turtonator, fancy, Clink, Meditite, Pansear, Mienfoo, Lee D-Box, excuse me, Score Bunny, Energy, Payapa Berry, okay, Gravity Gemstone, Glass Trumpet, and Holographic Diglett, which I already have. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you in the next video. Goodbye.